What's going on, everyone? My name's Kyle, and today we're going to talk about how you can keep your business from failing. These are secure ways that will definitely ensure you have a much lower chance of failing in your first few years of business. And these are things that I've learned and that have helped me greatly. So you should very much so focus on these three things, maybe even more so than anything else. These are the liquid, the oxygen, the life in the oxygen to your business. So number one would be to create cash flow. Now I know this is the most obvious thing ever, but you need cash flow in order to keep your business running. Between legal state fees and filing fees and just business insurance and upgrading your equipment or whatever it is that you're doing, you're going to need a certain amount of cash flow. Even if you're using all of it, you're going to need it to build, grow, and keep going forward. Now I know that's super obvious, but I had to say it and I had to get it out there just so you can realize that if you're going to start that business, you better have cash flow coming in from either another job or something else before you to burn the bridge, or you better have a good consistent amount of cash flow coming into that business before anything else, before you start to rely too much on it specifically. So that being said, number two is so much. It is organization. Now this has been one of the things that has learned, in my opinion, to make or break people. And I grew up with not a huge idea of organization, but I slowly, I read a lot of books on it and I read a lot of things on it, and I'm slowly understanding, and it's became a huge part of my life, is to keep things as organized as possible, make note of them, use and pay for softwares like QuickBooks to keep track of your invoices, use your notes on your phone, use your calendars, and keep all these things documented, because you don't want to be late to meetings, you don't want to be late to appointments, you don't want to forget to invoice somebody, you don't want to forget to pay bills, you don't want to forget to pay anything. It might be even organization down to setting up automatic payments for your credit cards, stuff like that. All those things matter so much more than you think, and if you get yourself in over your head by not keeping things organized, you're going to have a very bad time. Now number three, I want to make this video as quick as possible just so you can get kind of the overarching concepts, and we can always dive further into them later. But number three would be to provide more value than you're getting paid for. This is a surefire way to keep yourself in a good spot in business, and it's a surefire way to keep your clients providing you that cash flow and providing good word to everybody else, which gives you the ability to grow a lot faster than you would had you just being providing the service that you're being paid for and not going above and beyond. Now I talk about this a lot, and I think this is a huge factor in business, but it's one way you can keep your anxiety levels low. You can always know that the client, you're putting your best foot forward for that client, and you're making them feel as best as they possibly can about your service, and you're pretty much ensuring job security as long as everything else is in place. So always try and push to the next level, provide more than you're paying for, or whatever you agreed upon. Go to the next level, because it's a way that, yeah, sure, you're not getting paid for it, but at the same time you'll get paid for that extra work in other ways, whether it be personal security or longevity of a client, etc. The list can go on and on. So with that being said, those are the three ways I think you can prevent your business from failing, and promote growth within your business within the first few years and beyond that even. So with that being said, thank you guys so very much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't. Subscribing would mean the absolute world to me. And once again, thank you so very much for watching. Stay tuned for videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday on automotive, business, and lifestyle. My name's Kyle. Once again, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next video.